I bought another one because I'm such a Leatherman fan, and I was getting tired of carrying around the juice and not ever using everything that it needed or that it has. I bought the Leatherman Squirt PS4. So here's a little comparison. I've got it by, this is about the size of a key. Here's just a regular lighter. This thing is quite small, but also quite nice. It's got the little knife blade, which you can sharpen up, razor sharp, and it is chisel ground, but maybe you can see this. I actually went and just sharpened both sides of it, and that's perfectly fine, perfectly nice. Works nice, stays sharp decently. It's got a pretty decent, nice file that the juice does not have. The juice doesn't have a file, this does. So that kind of makes me think this has more than the juice. Screwdriver, cap lifter, nice. The juice has 3 flathead screwdriver options. That's a little leg up, but anyway, this is the Phillips screwdriver, which actually, you're probably thinking, oh, that's gross, or something like that. But it actually doesn't do that bad. You're not going to be tightening stuff down extremely tight, but you can tighten it down pretty tight with that, actually. And scissors. These are very nice. We were cutting some, let me see, it was 1/64 inch thick plywood with these. They were working good. They're nice and sharp and thick and tough little scissors that you can just make little cuts with. And then of course on the inside you got the nice pliers. If you don't realize this, Leatherman is some quality stuff. Let me get this to focus. Look at the precision of these. It's brilliant. Spring loaded. Fun to play with. Also, you can take it like this. This Leatherman is some quality stuff. This is not cheaply made stuff. I would suggest going on eBay. I picked this up for like 13 bucks. I think in stores they could go for up to 30 maybe. It's a decent little tool. You definitely won't feel like you're carrying around overkill because it's so small.